Hello, my dear friends. Nice to see you on my channel. 3 onion cloves. Garlic is a powerful aphrodisiac. Friends, thank you for watching and supporting me. 1 teaspoon coffee. Coffee improves erections and increases the duration of sexual intercourse. Juice of 1/2 lemon. Friends, in which city and country do you watch my videos? Add hot water. Leave on for 30 minutes. 1 tablespoon honey. Before bed 30 minutes. Good for all night.
What is this fucking place? Bitch, if you say that again, I'm gonna splash your pussy ass through that wall. Oh God, I need a cigarette right now. Oh God, I need a cigarette right now. You motherfuckers lost your mind. Who are you again? And why are you in my bed?